My all dear students, today we are going to discuss the new pattern of question paper for BA first year English, and it is based on your new education policy. The whole paper will carry only 75 marks. Maximum marks will be 75 and not 50 or 100. There will be only 3 sections, section A, section B and section C. Okay, there will be only 3 sections in total, section A, section B and section C. Section A will carry 15 marks, section B will carry also 15 marks, but section C will carry 45 marks. This means that this section is very important for you because it is carrying much more marks. Section A will have very short questions, section B short questions and section C long questions. So you have very short questions and long questions. Now section A, you will have to do only 5 questions. In the section A, you will be given 5 questions in all and you will have to attempt all the 5 questions, and each question will carry only 3 marks. The very first question, second, third, fourth and fifth, means there will be only 5 questions in total and each question will carry 3 marks. So in total, the total will be of questions 5 questions, means you will have to answer the very short questions, only 5 questions, and each question will carry 3 marks. So the total will be 15 marks. Section A, very short questions, 5 questions and each will carry 3 marks, right? Section B, it will also carry 15 marks, but there will be only 2 questions. Section A, there were 5 questions, but section B, short questions and only 2 questions, means you will be given 3 questions, but you will have to answer only 2 questions out of the 3 questions, and these 2 questions will be short questions and each question will carry 7.5 marks, right? Each question will carry 7.5 marks. 6 questions, 7 questions, only 2 questions. 2 questions out of 3 questions. You will be given 3 questions, but you will have to answer only 2 questions out of 3. 6th question, 7th one, only 2 questions and they will carry each 7.5 marks. So total will be 15 marks. Section A, very short questions. Section B, short questions. Section B, short questions, 7.5 marks each question will carry. Is it clear? Now come to the last section, section C. Section C, it will have long questions. I am telling you again, this is very important because it will carry 45 marks. You will have to answer only 3 questions, means you will be given 5 questions long, but you will have to answer only 3 questions out of 5 or 3 questions out of 5 questions, right? You will be given 5 questions and out of these 5 questions you will have to answer only 3 long questions, but each long question will carry 15 marks. 8th, 9th and 10th. In total 3 questions and each question is carrying 15 marks. So total will be 45 marks. Okay. Again just have a look. Section A, very short questions. Section B, short questions. Section C, long questions. Section A, 5 questions. Section B, 2 questions and section C, 3 questions. So in total 10 questions in all. Section A will carry 15 marks, section B will also carry 15 marks, but section C will carry 45 marks. So this is the new pattern of BA first year English, and you will have to study the complete syllabus, your prescribed syllabus based on these kind of pattern for your examination.